Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are going to see how face tracker works. We have used a Google Edge device and a servo motor setup for this project. Let us see how this project works. Each video from any camera is just a collection of photos. We call them frames. We extract each frame from the video and process them in real time. Each photo is made up of pixels. We first use face detection to detect the face location in the photo. If we move our face to the left of the camera, it is actually right side for the camera. So, the servo motor is programmed to move to the right in small moves till the face reaches the center of the camera image. Similarly, if we move our face to the right of the camera, it is actually left side for the camera. So, the servo motor is programmed to move to the left in small moves till the face reaches the center of the camera image. If the face is actually at the center of the image, the servo motor does nothing. We have used Python programming language for this project. I have shared the GitHub link for the code to this project in the description. Follow my GitHub profile for more amazing projects. If you need help on the coding part, or any help on implementing the project, contact me at the email provided in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos on artificial intelligence, autonomous robots, gaming, stock market, and to know about the current trending topics. Thank you for watching the video.